Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shaza Khatun. Dear brothers in Islam, today my topic is remembrance of Allah. Please listen to me and act upon the matters coming to my speech. Friends, Allah says in the Holy Quran, Fashkuruni yashkurukum. Remember me, I will remember you. Brothers and sisters, if a Muslim thanks Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the boons of Allah will become plentiful if a Muslim abides by the orders of Allah. The most gracious, the most merciful, the grace and mercy of Allah. Brothers, that is why be thankful, be grateful, be true, be sincere, be faithful, so you will be happy. You will lead a happy life here in this world and here after too. May Allah grant us all the final happiness and everlasting happiness. Amin. Khudafiz.